Alligator.
Hey, 707. You try to ease up your radio over there, see if I get a little bit of conditions. Hey, 707, you're 351 Sandpile, right back.
Hey, 351, it looks like Mother Nature sitting in your lap, man. I got you so far into the red, you're about ready to touch the black. Hey, 351, on the apple tree, 707 with that friendly 5, one more time.
Hey, 707, I don't want to go up there too far, man. They say once you have black, you don't go back. Hey, 707, you're 351 Sandpile, right back. One more time, let's go.
Yeah, 10-4, Roger. Wait, what's this? You're in the black and you're... Radio, you're 707, one more time.
Real good copy, 707, coming down East Coast in style. Beautiful day down here in Florida, man. Yeah, man, right at 73 degrees here in the old garage here, man. Hey, 707, you have a wonderful Sunday, man. We get back when we can. This small station around Florida, 351 on top of this sand hill in the middle of this palmetto patch. Back out.
Yeah, 10-4, Roger. Well, enjoy your day. It's a beautiful sunny one up here in New York City, too. We got about 45 degrees, but it's nice.
What's going on, 351, 148 way?
Hey, 148, top of day over there.
Afternoon time, let's go Giants with the wave.
Test 1, 2, test 1, 2, test 1.
I heard that 148. Yeah, I'm not really a football fan or anything, but man, yeah, if that's your team, I hope they win, man. Hey, 148, real good copy back here, southeast corner, man. It's been a while, man. I'd try to ease up in there if I had a little bit of Mother Nature, but just ain't had a whole bunch down this way. It's been going the other way out west and all. Hey, what's going on there, 148? You're 351 in Florida, right back.
Appreciate it, buddy. Yeah, I know, it's been a while. Mother Nature hasn't been opening up out there around the sand pile for a while. We've been getting Texas. Out there, Midwest. We've been getting different conditions, but always a pleasure to bump it down. Mr. Worldwide, 351 on the pile. Solid choice, like you usually do, my friend. Hope you had a beautiful Thanksgiving and happy holidays to you and yours on the way up. Hope everybody well and swell down there. We got some cool weather up here around New York City. It's staying cool up here in the hood. All right, man, 351, I hear you talking to the rest of the boys up here in New York, and I'm going to stand by and let the channel flow. Always a pleasure, my brother. Mr. 351 on the pile. You know who? 148 way. Bump up.
Keen up with ya.
I appreciate their 148, yeah. I got this gate rolling, just turned it on. I had some camera issues there some months back, and I never got around to fixing it. I just got me a camera on there now and got it going. Trying to get it set the way I like it and all. Right there, hey, 148, you take care, man. Thanks for bumping it down, hollering back here. You're 351 in the Sandpile, working this JC Penny special. I'm gone now. Hey, Big Daddy Kane, I got you on my radio, man. I heard you jumping up and down, hollering back this way, man. That thing's kicking. Heard 127 in there too, man. They all throwing it down out of the northeast corner. Hey, Big Daddy Kane, top of day. Your 351's right back.
Hey, back to you, 351. Hey, 351, just want to wave a hand, man. Just see this guy big dude in it.
Hey, Mike, you watching football today?
351. Oh, Mr. 351. Big Daddy. Big Daddy Kane. Low to the ground, motor van, Capitol Hill, getting on down. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Big Daddy Kane, I hear them alternators whining. They whining up and whining down, man. That thing's smoking back this way. That mobile's definitely doing its thing. Hey, Big Daddy Kane, you have a wonderful day out there and happy holidays. We don't get back with you. You're 351 Sandpile Kid back here listening.
Good choice, man. Hey, 351, take your mind off of Big Daddy Kane and Jack Frost Nation's capital. Hello, around the Washington, D.C. get no down. Blow up. 813, I'm gonna scratch him.
Hey, Jack Frost got you too. Jack Frost, he's smoking back here in the southeast corner, man. I'll tell you what, man, you definitely got the handle for the holidays. Hey, Jack Frost, you're 351 Empire, right back.
Where are you, 351, Mason?
Oh shit, Jack Frost is out there. I can put it on him.
Now, take care. Oh, Jack Frost, Washington, D.C. I said that. Try one more.
Real good copy, Jack Frost. Hey, Jack Frost, is all you, man. I heard a couple of them bumping and scratching, man, but, man, that thing's smoking back this way. You have a wonderful day, man. Happy holidays. You're 351 Empire. Keep back here listening.
351, I got no open fire. I got no open fire around you. I ain't trying to lose no Jack Frost. Hey, 351,
Hey, looky there, 127. Hey, 127. I got to get it back with my tag team partner up there in northeast corner. Hey, 127, man, I hear you. Yeah, there's a bunch of them in there, but you got through. Hey, 127, your friend in Florida, right back.
Hey, 351, he's trying to say hello to my boy 127. Hey, 351. Are we trying to say hello to that Pistol Nipples? That's my boy Pistol. You know, Pistol Nipples. 8351, Crush, back.
Hey, Crush, you twisted his nipples is what you did there, Crush. You done twisted them real hard. Hey, Crush, you have a nice day too, man. I'm gonna get out of the way. I'm gonna let this video gate roll for a little bit, and I'll shut it down and see if I can load it up. My internet hasn't been working too well. I don't know, something with the wire or the modem or something. It just ain't working right. But hey, y'all have a wonderful day. Happy holidays. You're 351. Sam Powell's gone.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I'm gonna give Richie back his nipples. I just twisted them a little bit. That's Sunday morning twist. Hey, 351, always a pleasure, my friend. I want to give Richie back his nipples. I just like to give him that Sunday morning twist. Take it easy, take care. You sound choice, Mr. 351. Your friend in the trees. Boogie down, Bronx, 148 Crush. Goddamn.
Got it all there, 148. Yeah, you're crushing everybody out there with what you're running. Hey, take care. I'm gonna be 10-7 and gone now.